This site is not endorsed by Google, Facebook, or YouTube in any way. All trademarks and logos branding are the property of their respective owners. Income disclaimer. This website and the items it distributes contain business strategies, marketing methods, and other business advice that, regardless of our own results and experience, may not produce the same results or any results for you. Femme and its creators make absolutely no guarantee, expressed or implied, that by following the advice or content available from this website, you will make any money or improve current profits, as there are many factors and variables beyond our control which may impact any given business. Primarily, results will depend on the nature of the product or business model, the conditions of the marketplace, the experience of the individual, and situations and elements that are beyond your control. As with any business endeavor, you assume all risk related to investment and money based on your own discretion and at your own potential expense. Liability disclaimer. By reading this website or the documents it offers, you assume all risks associated with using the advice given, with a full understanding that you solely are responsible for anything that may occur as a result of putting this information into action anyway, and regardless of your interpretation of the advice. You further agree that our company cannot be held responsible in any way for the success or failure of your business as a result of the information provided by our company. It is your responsibility to conduct your own due diligence regarding the safe and successful operation of your business if you intend to apply any of our information in any way to your business operations. In summary, you understand that we make absolutely no guarantees regarding income as a result of applying this information, as well as the fact that you are solely responsible for the results of any action taken on your part as a result of any given information. In addition, for all intents and purposes, you agree that our content is to be considered for entertainment purposes only. Always seek the advice of a professional when making financial, tax, or business decisions. Guarantee terms. The conditional guarantee is not a promise of payout whatsoever. It's merely there to show you that we're confident about what we're offering. To qualify for the conditional guarantee, you must show clear-cut evidence that you've done the work and asked for help, and we weren't able to solve the problem. We do not, however, guarantee specific results or rewards in any form. If Femme does not work as stated, we will return your payment. Refunds are always honored, so there are no risks. Please note, Femme is a software-as-a-service SaaS. Access is IPN linked to your payment. Refunding will cancel software access and render existing projects in your dash void immediately. Every effort has been made to accurately represent our product and its potential. Any claims made of actual earnings or examples of actual results can be verified upon request. The testimonials and examples used are exceptional results and don't apply to the average purchaser and are not intended to represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Each individual's success depends on his or her background, dedication, desire, and motivation. As with any business endeavor, there is an inherent risk of loss of capital, and there is no guarantee that you will earn any money. Disclaimer. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and/or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement, or opinion used in the marketing of these products.